welcome back to Project DOT. Version 2.0 is done now, which means double the map size and 8 new cards. A couple of things have changed, as well as one of the rooms being entirely replaced since the last video. There's a lot to cover, so let's just get into it. When you press play, instead of it just taking you to the card menu, it instead takes you to the difficulty selector, which has normal and hard available. Well, hard is available if you've won 3 times. In hard mode, deck size has been increased to 9. There are plans for a higher difficulty than hard, but at present it does not exist. The room based around the platforms that lowered or raised when you stood on them has been changed to this, which reuses the floors with holes in them. The upper section contains air corruption, which in conjunction with the air corruption in a nearby room can force you to jump down into the lower area as to not take damage from the corruption. Here are the new cards. Void only activates 1 data drop, but when it is played, it will make a duplicate of itself, which can only happen once. This functionally increases your deck size, which means that you are less likely to draw negative cards. Monster Manipulation blocks 2 Firewall, activates data drops once, but has the negative effect of adding file corruption to your deck. Glowing Glare does the opposite, giving you Virus block and increasing your firewall. Starfall drops a large amount of data into the centre of the map, which is very powerful, but also might require the player to make a detour. Energy Slash is a card for skilled players, because the amount of health that they have is the amount of firewall block that this card gives. Disorientating Spores makes it so that enemies will not attack you unless they saw you before this card's activation. Steam Blast is sort of a combination between Regenerate and Spirit's Rage. It allowed +2 to either Virus or Firewall block depending on which one you have less of. Avalanche gives you speed, as well as the same shield as Lightning Trap. This allows you to be more risky with your higher speed. Well, that's everything new for this video. To be honest, I've been putting off making this, but I still have been working on the project. There's been some visual updates, which were definitely long overdue, and of course the new rooms for the next difficulty. This week's art piece is something that I made quite a while ago. It was inspired by the Decked Out 2 castle. Raining Crescent, signing off.